Being attractive is not merely based on the physical appearance of an individual. Attributions such as your other four senses, hearing, touch, smell, and taste contribute to one's attractiveness. This fun test self-assessment API allows you to find out your level of attractiveness. As always, we will build this in Excel. A well-suited male with cigarette smell on his shirt would turn him unattractive. A decent-looking lady who can cook and exercise regularly would increase her attractiveness. Physical appearance weighs 20% out of the other four senses in attractiveness. That being said, let's run through the questions. To create this API, we will be using AlchemyJ, which is an Excel add-in that can turn Excel business model into API. This way you can integrate your Excel model into other applications. You can download this add-in for free at AlchemyJ.io. First, do you notice strangers checking you out, or glance at you as they walk past you in the subway, coffee shop, or your local bar on a Friday night? You are in luck. There is something in you that is pleasing to their eye. Second, do you know that the sense of smell directly activates our emotional brain, responsible for our emotions and memories? A person we met with a strong body odor leaves a stronger memory than a person without any odor. With this in mind, it is easy to understand why smell plays a vital role in attractiveness. Third, if people often compliment on your looks and tell you how attractive you are, they are either your secret admirer or probably flirting with you. Do note that sales vendors are excluded. Fourth, some career fields are advantageous and could indirectly help individuals increase their level of attractiveness. This source of attractiveness is led by mass media, social media influence, and cultural factors. Fifth, believe it or not, how you spend your time at night affects your attractiveness as well. Who is more attractive here, a self-driven person who hits the gym at night and a lazy person watching Netflix all night long? Definitely, a muscular or curvy body is more attractive here. Sixth, speaking more languages improves your romantic prospect and helps you connect more to other cultures. However, keep in mind that a spark of attraction will eventually go off if you can't communicate with each party. Lastly, in modern society, cooking itself does not belong to a particular gender anymore. Instead, it has become associated with healthy well-being, an act of love, a hobby, or an interest. Alright, let's move on to Excel and see how well I will score. This is the self-assessment tool I created in Excel. Let's try it out. How often do you draw strangers' attention? I will say, rarely, so it will be B. How often do you use perfume? A. The natural scent from the shampoo and body wash are good enough for me. How often do you get compliments from people? C. Sometimes. From my receptionist and the cafe barista. In which career field are you working? Science and technology, so it would be D for me. How will you spend your time from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m.? I will spend my time mainly on exercise and reading. For this, I will be choosing A. How many languages can you speak? I can speak 3 languages: English, Mandarin, and Cantonese. My answer will be C. How many types of cuisine can you cook? Cantonese, Chinese, Thai, Japanese, steak. No, steak is not a cuisine. Okay, just 4 for me. So, it will be C. So, what do I get? 44. Awesome. I am attractive. We can now convert this Excel file into API using AlchemyJ. We are speeding up the process here. If you want to know how to do it in detail, check out the links in the description box below. The API is now ready. To test the API, I have created a user interface that calls the API to get the question list and to calculate the score. You can create a web page or a mobile app to call the REST API as you wish. When I click this button, it will call the API to get the result and display it on this test result page. To see the actual API, open this API documentation which AlchemyJ automatically generates. It is an open API format. You can even try the API using this page. So there you have it. This Excel template is available for download on our website. You may go to AlchemyJ.io, sign in or sign up for an account if you haven't done so. You will find this template and many more interesting templates under the resource section. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to like and subscribe for more. Tell us what you think about this template under the comment section. See you soon in the next video.